China's microwave weapon. China has reportedly tested a new directed energy weapon, a microwave gun. This device emits powerful beams capable of disabling or destroying drones, missiles, and other aerial threats. The implications of this technology are significant. It represents a major advancement in directed energy weaponry. Microwave weapons use high-frequency electromagnetic radiation. This energy disrupts electronic systems, rendering targets useless. Unlike traditional weapons, they offer precision and can be used repeatedly. This makes them effective against swarms of drones or missiles. This development signals a new age in warfare. Directed energy weapons could change the balance of power. Nations worldwide are investing in similar technologies. The future of defense may rely on these advanced systems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news.